Hello, good evening. Bye. Copy, updating link. All right, folks, am I audible? Can you please help me with? Okay, cool. All right, perfect. Hello. चलो बढ़िया. आकाश भाई, I'm great. How about you? कैसे हो आप? So, coming to gold right now, what I'm seeing is the way it's browsing, the way it's pushing down lower. I think that it's gonna stop to this area. Now everything above is irrelevant until unless it retrace, which looks like a difficult deal at the moment. The plan was to look for shots. Though we were aware that this gonna go, but looking lean. भाई 2 दिन हुए जिम जाए. नहीं, it's just the t-shirt, bro. Just the t-shirt. शायद. But yeah, want to be consistent, and this year by before the end of this year. Mark my words. This is 18th March. New York stream. Okay, evening stream. Right now the time is 6:47 p.m. I'm promising myself that before the year ends, this year ends, not the financial, but actually December, I'll make sure that I will be at the best shape of my life. I promise. I miss an entry from bro, like even actually I was like planning to enter after it swept some liquidity here, but I was like late, and then after that I had no plans. But the way it fall, I 1400 pip. It's gonna fall more obviously. Like it has to come within this area, but there is nothing that you can do. This setup looks good, no? Just this and just one tree in the back. Okay, back here. It's looking good. What do you think? Yeah, bye. Exactly. In fact, like Akash, just to be honest, like मेरा है ना आज trade करने का मन नहीं कर रहा because I have taken like already 1.5% L today on this fucking trade. So अब मेरा मन है कि भाई मैं शांति से बैठूं या तो मैं कुछ ना करूं. These are the two options I have. Like mostly I will not be doing much because we have stream and I don't really have a solid intent. I was expecting it to reach her, but it started falling. Not that I am like fighting कि भाई मेरे यहाँ पे आना ही चाहिए. Definitely not. If it want, it can just retrace here, and from here it can continue to push down lower. And I would like to participate in that. But at the moment, I don't have any immediate bias or any immediate thing that I can do. डिनर डिसाइड करो. अब नहीं डिसाइड कर रहा मैं. डिनर बना है चिकन. चिकन और राइस खाऊंगा मैं. और साइड में सलाद. क्योंकि ग्रीन्स भी होने चाहिए। तो टुडे वुड बी एक्चुअली, यू नो व्हाट, I was following proper strict plan for straight 21 days uh before my last birthday. Like it was in 16th March 2025. और जिस दिन मैंने चीट मील करी, एक दिन चीट मील करी मेरे बर्थडे के दिन, I never fall back to my diet. I never went to the gym. Actually, I went to the gym on and off in between, but chest shoulder करके आ जाता था। मेरे को लेग्स करने का कंटाला आता था। आज मैं गया, दूसरा दिन था, आज लेग्स डे किया। बोला डिफिकल्ट टास्क फर्स्ट, हार्डेस्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट। आई वांटेड टू चेंज मैन, आई वांटेड टू चेंज इन लाइफ। तो अब भाई, अब नहीं करेंगे प्रोकास्टिनेट। अब भाई की बनेगी बॉडी। एग्जैक्टली। एक्चुअली आई डू, वेट, आई विल जस्ट शो ट्विटर। ये यहाँ पे लॉगिन होगा कि नहीं पता नहीं, एक मिनट, आई विल जस्ट चेक। लॉगिन 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 लॉगिन, नॉट योर जर्नी। नहीं भाई, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा। आई वुड हैव शोन यू माय वर्कआउट स्प्लिट। एनीवेज, आई डू हैव, आई विल जस्ट send you my workout split। ये मुझे फिटर से मिला था। सो इट्स लाइक 3 दिन का वर्कआउट एंड नेक्स्ट 3 days रिपीट। सो आई थिंक लाइक इट हैज कवर्ड। आई आस्क्ड हिम क्वेश्चंस लाइक कि जस्ट ये वर्कआउट से हो जाएगा क्या? Like you first get started with this. So after a point, like, will we change? Like, no, we'll continue the same workout. Okay, that's nice. Okay, how to share airdrop, WhatsApp nahi, gallery, select airdrop Mac Mini. Okay, so you can see this. So this is like day 3. This is day 1. Okay, so day 1 mein this is like warm up, then shoulder। शोल्डर के दो वेरिएशंस, एक तो ये बैठा वाला और एक लैटरल रेजेस। नेक्स्ट इज फॉर चेस्ट। चेस्ट के 3 वेरिएशंस है, फ्लैट, इंक्लाइंड एंड ये वाला। आई यूजुअली डू दिस ऑन दैट वाला मशीन जिसमें इट्स weird to answer, like I don't really know the name of the machine, but yeah, I sometimes use this pec deck, and I sometimes use some machine, I don't really remember the name. Uh, then next, this is the second day in which it's a combination of legs and back. So here I do barbell squats and this bilateral seated leg press. Next is cable pull down and seated cable row and shrugs। शख्स के बाद हाँ, मतलब वही काफ्स वाला है। सो ये लेग वाला आ गया, इसमें ठीक ठाक मसल कवर हो गए लेग के, और जो बचे हुए मसल्स है उसमें ये सुमो स्क्वाट्स, देन कर्ल्स, लेग कर्ल्स, देन बाइसेप के लिए कर्ल्स एंड हैमर कर्ल्स, एंड ट्राइसेप के लिए एक्सटेंशन, एंड ट्राइसेप के लिए वो ओवरहेड एक्सटेंशन अगेन, एंड देन स्ट्रेचिंग. फर्स्ट और सेकेंड डे दे ऑल्सो इंक्लूड एप्स. ऐप क्रंचेस पहले दिन है और लेग रेजेस सेकेंड दिन है. थर्ड दिन उतना नहीं है एप्स का, बट या कोर फर्स्ट और सेकेंड डे. सो आई थिंक इसमें ठीक ठाक सा कवर हो गया है. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? So I'm just planning to follow this with complete ijjat. Yeah, bhai, exactly. And the person who has given this, he is extremely smart. So I trusted him. I was like, okay, whatever you say. What about the calorie? I'll just show you that too. Just give me a minute. So calorie का तो मेरे पास. Yeah, I am achieving daily protein intake as well. So if you see this now, uh, so total as per my body height and weight, my goal is in deficit. Like I am 250 deficit, 250 calories deficit. तो टोटल मेरा गोल है 1300. जो डाइट दिया है इट अकॉम्प्लिश ऑलमोस्ट 1691, and protein is almost 116 grams. So if we see, what I do in the morning is I get started with overnight oats. How I make it is basically oats with uh, protein powder, which is whey. Okay. And then uske upar I add 10 grams of badam for healthy fats. Then I add either 100 gram of banana or 200 grams of apple or grapes. Depending on calories, I adjust the weight. So that comes around, and then I mix it all, and then I keep it in fridge overnight. And I go to the workout, I come back, and then I have that प्रोटीन शेक नहीं कह सकते, इट्स लाइक overnight oats I have. Oats I usually put 40 50 grams, 50 grams. And in the morning I eliminate this. मैं ये नहीं लेता. तो बेसिक ये लेता हूँ, एंड देन उसके बाद आई टेक 3 eggs, 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg. मैं बॉईल करके खाता हूँ. आई लव बॉइल्ड एग्स. So that's for my breakfast. Milk I avoid because I somehow am not capable to digest milk. I immediately puke once I drink milk. So uh, Not that I am lactose intolerant, but it's something weird. I can't really take milk, but I love dahi, like curd. So I usually have either Greek yogurt or just normal curd. Uh, 200 grams of that. That completes my, not completes, but yeah, ठीक ठाक सा protein intake हो जाता है. Then for lunch, what I do is I take 50 grams of ज्वार. ज्वार का ये I don't really like chapatis much. So I usually eat ज्वार का भाकरी with वेजिटेबल का भाजी, सब्जी जो घर पे नहीं एक्चुअली, मम्मी अलग से बनाती है मेरे लिए, वेरी मेजर्ड, वेरी प्रिसाइज, एंड इन दैट ये बेसिक ऑयल एंड ऑल वो सारी चीजें. ओह, दिस इज लंच के लिए होगा. लंच लंच यस, लंच. So I usually have this veggies. Veggies में I divide this into two parts. One for my salad and one for like जो सब्जी खानी है उसके लिए. So that's how I do it. Uh, Dal I don't usually prefer morning के lunch में. I mean lunch में. Morning का lunch क्या होता है? Lunch में. And the next thing I have, evening mein I don't have anything. Uh, Sometime if I feel like munching, I'll usually munch on some fruits. Fruits घर में बहुत भरे होते हैं, तो fruits I love. But fruits में ही calories होती है, so I just need to cut down that as well. Then dinner में rice with chicken, 200 grams of boneless chicken. But what I do is I usually get 250 grams of bone wala chicken because I can't really compromise on taste. और बोनलेस पीसेस काफी अच्छे नहीं लगते. So it's very rubbery and chewy. So that's the reason I prefer not really eating boneless. So I usually take bone wala chicken and make it YouTube पे देख के. Actually, I don't make it. My mama make it. My mama is very helpful. Thank you, mama, if you're watching this. But my mama helps me with everything. So and then ये veggies जो लिखे है उसमें मैं सलाद डाल देता हूँ. ककड़ी, गाजर, इफ मूली हो तो, वरना बीटरूट समटाइम्स. लेट्यूस एंड ऑल वो सब नहीं खाता मैं. So yeah, that's about this. So it basically completes almost सारा कुछ. और चिकन खाता हूँ तो जो बाकी सारी चीज़ें बची होती है, B12 एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, वो भी थोड़ी बहुत कंप्लीट हो जाती है. बाकी जैसे आगे आगे बढ़ेंगे वैसे जो डिफिशियंसी होगी वो ले लेंगे, कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. क्रिएटिन इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेक. आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग वन. आई हैव टेकन क्रिएटिन एज वेल एज आई हैव दिस शीलाजित वाला वो व्हाट इज दिस. What the fuck is this? Why it's crazy. Okay, I'm not able to find that exact box जिसमें ये आया था. But yeah, uh, I wanted to get started with, इसने बोला था, ब्रूहाज ने, that magnesium, right, for better sleep. Add creatine, bhai, for muscle recovery. Creatine monohydrate, right? I actually have creatine, so I wanted to get started with that too. Like in creatine, how you consume it, like proper पानी में ही, like you as if you are drinking regular water. Okay, cool. I'll add that too. Tender coconut water. Okay. Oh, US Opens, huh? Honestly, I don't know where we are heading. So I was thinking not really touch today. Like touch as in like trade today. Akash, you have started gymming. What you are up to? हाँ हाँ भेज दो. That's great, Akash. Great. What about the business, that the product base company that you're planning? क्या चल रहा है उसमें? I remember it's about jackfruit. What's happening with that? Healthy snacks brand. Yeah. हाई प्रोडक्ट वेडक्ट भेजो, हम भी रिव्यू करें जरा. That's great. What's the name and website? Website is up and ready or what? Coconut pickle. Unique. It's crazy. Amazing. I have created one position in MNQ, which is right here, keeping this as my stops. And I'm thinking of riding it because I don't know where it's gonna stop. So yeah, let's see. Okay. G-level. If it dips into this pool, there's a chance like it might pump higher. Yeah. I booked my first partials voice. I booked my first partial at this level because the position was kind of big. So yeah, I booked my first partial at this level. Let's see. Now just because the position size was big, so that's the reason it was a good 1:1 that I have caught. So decent, right? Boys, but you can hold rest of your position till it just push up higher and it goes, okay? Right. By the way, like, see, if you want, you can trail your stop loss now to this low, okay? And you can continue to hold this position, boys. Because अगर ये चले तो ये जाएगा चांद तक, और ये चांद यहाँ तक है, तो ये पकड़े रखो भाइयों, क्योंकि इसके चांसेस है चांद तक जाने के कई ज्यादा। तो पकड़े रखो मेरे भाइयों, पकड़े रखो ये ट्रेड। और अभी लॉसेस को लिमिट कर लिया है और स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल कर लिया है, तो चलते रहने दो भाई, क्या ही जा रहा है तुम्हारा। I just took a good quick scalp. And for the most part, I will be waiting for uh I'll be waiting for what happens at 12. So most probably I will be coming back live, boys. I'll be coming back live. Contract rollover. Yes, contract rollover it is. ये पोजीशन बनाए रखो। पोजीशन कहाँ गई? हाँ, पोजीशन पकड़े रहो भाई, एग्जिट ना करना। या तो लेना तो छोटा सा लॉस लेना, बिकॉज मतलब मैं ओवरऑल तो प्रॉफिट बुक करूंगा, बट अगर ये हिट भी करता है तो भी ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट बुक करूंगा। बट लेट्स सी अगर ये एसएल होता है, आई एम जस्ट लीविंग। आई मेड मनी। US, sorry, Euro USD is reacting from a nice demand area and it has a potential of pushing to this above area. Let's see how it goes. Continue to hold this till your SL. And once the SL hits, boys, भाई एंट्री नहीं लिया था, शुड अभी आई एम नॉट श्योर। मेंटरशिप क्लास कब से स्टार्ट करेंगे? मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बाय नेक्स्ट वीक। भाई यूरो, अपन एक आउटलुक के बारे में बात करते हैं एंड देन आई विल कॉल इट अ डे। यूरो यूएसडी, if we see on a higher time frame, if we just get rid of everything and without holding any bias, if we see weekly time frame, monthly time frame, we have swept decent liquidity, but I think there needs to be more liquidation. So in weekly time frame, if we see, I'm seeing it has a potential of pushing down lower and taking out these lows. This low is not really supposed to hold. Currently on a weekly time frame, we are reacting of this supply area, which is definitely a good one. It's reacting of this. Overall, this entire range looks good in 4-hour time frame as compared to our premium and discount. It has tested the 50% area, but also it's reacting from this demand area, and it might continue to push up higher because maybe it has to test the area that we are looking forward to enter shots from, which is this particular one. And just above that, we have liquidity level. Let's discuss this. Now in 1 hour time frame, if we see, we have clearly marked this demand area. Not necessary we are jumping in longs from here, of course not. ये जो एरिया, जिस एरिया से रिएक्ट कर रहा है, दैट इज द अटमोस्ट प्रीमियम 50% के साथ अलाइनमेंट है. सो दैट्स द रीजन इट मेक सेंस कि यहाँ से गिरे. बट ये अभी देखोगे तो 4H के हिसाब से एक काइंड ऑफ डिस्काउंटेड एरिया में आया है 4H के इमीडिएट लेग के हिसाब से. 4H का immediate leg जो देखेंगे तो 4H का immediate is from this low to this high. Still it is contained within the immediate bullish leg. There is a chance that 1H has shifted bearish. It has swept liquidity. It has taken out the structure low, where it will push up higher and then push down lower. But when I would like to enter longs is, sorry, when I would like to enter shorts is either ये low break कर जाए और फिर मैं retracement पे short मारूं, या तो ये यहीं से ऊपर चल दे और यहाँ पे आए और यहाँ पे मुझे बस स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट मिले, कंफर्मेशन मिले, मैं घुस जाऊँ. These are the two criteria that I am aiming and looking for. This area I am not really sure if I will be looking to enter shots from, but this I'm pretty sure that I will be looking shots from. Okay, this is about Euro USD, and also this area is in a perfect alignment with the inefficiency of a higher time frame. Even though this is a supply, but it's perfectly aligning as a inefficient area. So currently we are also reacting from the inefficient area. We will not predict. We will just analyze as per what we can see. ठीक है. So this is what I am looking forward for यूरो यूएसडी में. गोल्ड में मैंने जैसे बोला कि ये लो गया, ये लो जाएगा और ये गया. And next I am expecting is in daily time frame I am expecting it to reach within this area, because हायर टाइम फ्रेम वाइज कि कहाँ जाएगा ये बताना मेरे लिए अभी काफी मुश्किल है, क्योंकि मे बी द मंथ विल एक्चुअली क्लोज बेरिश, बट यहाँ से डेफिनेटली कुछ हद तक बाइंग तो पक्का आएगी. तो मैं वो चाहूंगा कि मैं वो बाइंग मोनेटाइज करूं. वीकली डेली सुपर बेरिश. सो like I wanted to fucking enter shots, but the problem happened is I expected it to reach within this and then push down lower. So it has never tested the range low. That's where the things went wrong for us, and that's the reason we were not in this push down lower, which is absolutely fine. We are not, I'm not really FOMOing. I am fine with missing out on this one. So if at all we can see prices reaching within this, और यहाँ पे हमें कंफर्मेशन मिलता है, हम प्लान करेंगे लॉन्ग्स के लिए. US 100 की बात करें तो कम वक्त क्या कर रहा है. Somehow I feel it's gonna hold. Let's see. We'll do it. I'm still in. I'm still in this position. So let's see how basically this freaking thing moves. It has cried a lot doing this. Let's see. But higher time frame की बात करें भाई, तो भाई ये कचरा है अभी फिलहाल के लिए. लेकिन मूव पैसे अच्छे देता है, लेकिन ये कचरा है. अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, इट हैज लिक्विडेटेड दिस हाई एंड इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम सप्लाई एरिया विद इन दिस. Selling is good, but at immediate I am expecting some premium pricing, or maybe if we see 4h time frame, you can also see maybe the prices can go towards this external range liquidity and just take the supply from here and then push down lower, which is of course quite possible. So that's the reason I would just request you to hold this trade and let's see how it goes. या तो अभी ब्रेक इवन पे अगर आपको एग्जिट करना है तो फील फ्री टू डू दैट टू, बिकॉज आई विल बी लीविंग द स्क्रीन नाउ एंड आई विल बी कीपिंग माय स्टॉप्स टू दिस लो ओनली. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अगर रात को मैं एक्टिव रहूंगा तो मैं स्ट्रीम करूंगा. बट अभी के लिए वेट करते हैं और स्ट्रीम बंद करते हैं. ये लिक्विडिटी है भाई प्यारी, ये जाएगा भाई, ये जाएगा. प्यारा लिक्विडिटी है यहाँ पे. आई एम सीइंग हायर प्राइसेस इन यूरो यूएसडी. I am seeing higher prices. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, that was about it. Thanks for showing up and expecting. I have entered longs in gold. Expecting prices to push down from 48 levels. But if you have entered longs, I will just suggest you to play safe. Uh, because यही से भी dump आ सकता है. I by no means I want to influence your decisions, but when it falls, it can just continue to fall. Another dump can come in. So if it retraces, then you short. But coming to longs, I am, because I personally don't trade that way, then maybe that's the reason. But if that fits your trade plan, and if that is what your trade plan looks like, definitely just manage your risk. Till the time you're managing your risk, no problem. सब सही है, सब चंगा. बस रिस्क मैनेज करना भाई. और ऊपर आए तो डेफिनेटली, मतलब शॉर्ट्स का मैं नहीं कहूंगा अभी फिलहाल. But also, if you, what's your stop loss level, Akash? Matlab, I don't see any reason for the prices to breach maybe something within this. तो भी तुम safest side के लिए, oh, you have kept this as a stop loss 50. Entered, entered at 850 and with 4848. अरे सही है भाई, चलने दो. क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है तुम्हें, चलने दो. ग्रेट एंट्री, ग्रेट एंट्री. तो फिर चलने दो आकाश. This could be a great trade, definitely. And actually, you don't need to book, like, see, you don't need to book entire position here. You can hold for long because it has taken out some external, not external, but some significant local liquidity, right? Daily mein, this has broken the structure, pushed up higher, higher highs, higher lows ban rahe the. This was a significant level. So जब इसको liquidate किया है, definitely एक pump अच्छा आ सकता है. And maybe अगर आप ये 4H और 1H में देखोगे, so this all is shitty liquidity, right? So maybe this inefficiency can be fulfilled. I'm not trying to give you bigger hopes, but chances है कि ये यहाँ पे आए, लेकिन the safest, अगर ये ऊपर आए, तो safest bet would be exiting at this area. The first target level would be something within this. And if you want to exit at 48 levels, which is around this, I don't know where you where you come up with that area or levels. Maybe if we just stretch this inefficient pricing to this, you can say that okay, this range low can actually be good. जो इनएफिशिएंसी का ही है, तो 40 के आसपास तुम सोचना पहला पार्शल लेने का, बिकॉज 50 के हिसाब से दैट वुड स्टिल बी लाइक, उप्स, 50 के हिसाब से दैट वुड स्टिल बी लाइक फकिंग 890 पिप्स. सो solid one आकाश भाई, solid one, crazy. Sounds good, looks good. Euro, nice pump, man. Mostly we will meet on Google Meet. Mostly we'll meet on Google Meet. इनफैक्ट ये यूरो वाला भी मस्त ट्रेड था यहाँ पे, एंट्री वाला. If anyone entered, you can hold till this. I'm expecting it to reach within this because, as I said, on daily time frame or 4S time frame, this looks like a nice immediate leg. So the potential of this holding is good, but for me, it don't really fit my setup. So I'm not really invested in this. I don't really want to be in this. I would prefer entering shots here after a confirmation. Gold में great trade Akash, loved it. But again, not my setup. तो ये यहाँ पे आए तो बुक कर लेना, और मेजर पोजीशन यहाँ पे तो निकाल ही देना अगर यहाँ पे आता है. आई विल सी हाउ प्राइजेस डेवलप बिफोर ट्रेड अवे. Yeah, it just kicked me out. So yeah, I still closed in profit, and yeah, that was about it. I'll be seeing you all. Maybe it just kicked me out. Okay, maybe क्योंकि ओरिजिनल जो स्टॉप लॉस था, ओरिजिनल स्टॉप लॉस यही था क्या? Oh no, original stop loss was bigger. So that way I would have still been in, but I'm fine because I wanted to leave. Thanks, it has given me the reason to do exit my position automatically. ठीक है, चलो मिलते हैं भाई. Take care, bye bye. Have a great day ahead. Trade safe, and I will be seeing you in the evening, not evening, late evening by 12:30. All right, chalo, bye bye. Take care. See you.